Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you. So let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic, Demystifying ChatGPT, a beginner's guide to AI-powered conversations. ChatGPT is an AI-based language model developed by OpenAI. It uses a variant of the transformer architecture to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Here's a step-by-step guide on how it works and all you need to know. 1. Understanding ChatGPT. ChatGPT is trained on a large dataset of text from various sources, allowing it to understand and generate text across a wide range of topics. It uses deep learning techniques to analyze and understand patterns in text data, enabling it to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. 2. Input and output. When you interact with ChatGPT, you provide input in the form of text prompts or questions. ChatGPT processes this input and generates a response based on its understanding of the input and the knowledge it has learned during training. 3. Natural language generation. ChatGPT generates text that is natural and human-like, using its understanding of language and context to produce coherent responses. It can generate responses of varying lengths, from short sentences to longer paragraphs, depending on the complexity of the input and the requested output. 4. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT considers the context of the conversation when generating responses, taking into account previous interactions and the current input. It can maintain context over multiple turns of conversation, allowing for more engaging and meaningful interactions. 5. Limitations and biases. While ChatGPT is capable of generating high-quality responses, it is not perfect and may sometimes produce inaccurate or inappropriate content. Like all AI models, ChatGPT may reflect biases present in the training data, so it's important to critically evaluate its responses and use it responsibly. 6. Applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, and language translation. It can be used in various industries, such as customer service, healthcare, education, and entertainment, to automate tasks and enhance user experiences. 7. Using ChatGPT. You can interact with ChatGPT through various platforms and interfaces, such as web browsers, messaging apps, and API integrations. Simply input your text prompt or question, and ChatGPT will generate a response based on its understanding of the input and its training data. 8. Feedback and improvement. ChatGPT continuously learns and improves over time based on user interactions and feedback. OpenAI regularly updates and refines the model to enhance its capabilities and address any issues or limitations. 9. Ethical considerations. When using ChatGPT, it's important to consider ethical implications, such as privacy, data security, and the potential impact of AI-generated content on society. Use ChatGPT responsibly and adhere to ethical guidelines and best practices when deploying it in real-world applications. 10. Learning resources. To learn more about ChatGPT and its capabilities, you can explore documentation, tutorials, and research papers provided by OpenAI and other sources. By understanding how ChatGPT works and its potential applications, you can leverage its capabilities to enhance productivity, automate tasks, and create engaging user experiences in various domains. Remember to use ChatGPT responsibly and ethically to maximize its benefits while minimizing potential risks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.